Question 1. What is the main purpose of the lens in the human eye? Is it A. To provide nutrients to the cornea, B. To protect the retina, C. To focus light on the retina, or D. To produce tears? The correct answer is C. To focus light on the retina. Question 2. Which type of lens is thicker in the middle than at the edges? Is it A. Concave, B. Convex, C. Plano, or D. Cylindrical? The correct answer is B. Convex. Question 3. What does a lensometer measure? Is it A. Lens thickness, B. Vertex distance, C. Optical power, or D. Base curve? The correct answer is C. Optical power. Question 4. What is the main cause of astigmatism? Is it A. Irregular cornea shape, B. Aging, C. Poor nutrition, or D. Excessive screen time? The correct answer is A. Irregular cornea shape. Question 5. What is the standard unit of measurement for refractive power? Is it A. Millimeters, B. Diopters, C. Degrees, or D. Nanometers? The correct answer is B. Diopters. Question 6. What type of lens is used to correct myopia? Is it A. Concave, B. Convex, C. Plano, or D. Cylindrical? The correct answer is A. Concave. Question 7. What is the purpose of anti-reflective coating on lenses? Is it A. To reduce scratches, B. To improve color perception, C. To reduce glare and reflections, or D. To block UV light? The correct answer is C. To reduce glare and reflections. Question 8. What is the term for the point on a lens where light rays converge? Is it A. Base curve, B. Optical center, C. Focal point, or D. Vertex distance? The correct answer is C. Focal point. Question 9. What is the primary material used for high-index lenses? Is it A. Polycarbonate, B. Glass, C. Trivex, or D. Plastic? The correct answer is D. Plastic. Question 10. What is the ABO value a measure of? Is it A. Lens thickness, B. Light dispersion, C. UV protection, or D. Scratch resistance? The correct answer is B. Light dispersion.